Hello everyone, I'm Ramon with Ramon at Home, and today I get to show you the process of putting our patio together. Finally, we are very blessed to have this small patio right out of our dining room, and our furniture is finally unpacked from the boxes that came in since Jameson moved our stuff from Kansas. So we're gonna get to decorating. If you want to see the process, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing I want to do is hang these walls right here from these 4x4s. And so what I did is I put some eye hooks on these windows, and I'm going to put some hooks on the bottom one so we can do 2 layers of them going down. We pre-drill these holes on the windows, and then we insert these hooks, and I have like 6 of them, so I will show you guys when I'm done. I have a long way to go. We're going to hang the first window just to make sure we did a good job. Now I think this one needs to go upside down. Like this. Got it? Let's see. And it works! Yay! According to Jameson, we're off only by -1.
Which means slightly tilted down this way to the right side.
Just a little bit, but it's really not visible to the eye unless you are paying attention to it. Now we have 4 more to go, so stay tuned. Alright, so we finished hanging the windows. Now we're gonna place all of our patio furniture, do some sweeping, and I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm really excited because here in California the weather really is beautiful.
Yes.
And we can sit out here and have some privacy and have a glass of wine.
My style. Wow.
Yeah.
I think
I'm thinking more furniture.
Take a cute little table here with a palm on it. Would be great. Real or fake, doesn't matter.
Well, but the other
Over here.
because this creates more of a conversation.
I actually like having just the one chair. Because that way you sit there, someone can sit here.
Two more people
Actually,
can
I
sit
can
here.
a bit more. Have the leg facing you, so you should go this way.
And then just put it on the side. Alright you guys, the patio is all set up, and all I have to do is accessorize, which is my favorite part. We did some moving of the furniture around. We tried different layouts, and this is what works the best. We have a dining area right here, and we have a sitting area right here, right off our dining room. I cannot wait to get all the pretty pillows and all the pretty accessories out, and I can show you what this patio looks like. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Bye!